What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're up a little high today. We have some stuff to do. So today is the beginning of the RV restoration. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Whew. Okay guys, I'm gonna spin you around. First things first, this is gonna be replaced. All these covers have to be popped up. Got all these little berry bead things. We are going to blow all them off first with a blower. No problem getting that antenna up. Ooh, walking around still looking for soft spots, which luckily I'm not finding. Probably gonna pop the covers off of the air conditioners. That goofy old satellite dish wound up. So we gotta get this antenna up. We're gonna blow it all off with the blower. And then we look down there, we have a bucket and we have some roof cleaner. We're gonna scrub this thing. We're gonna find some more bad spots. We're gonna prep everything. And we're gonna get ready to put some Flex Seal on it. Whew. All right, here we go. Okay, we got the hose up. We got it blowed off. I'll show you that. Took those covers off. We got a cracked cover there, of course. But I'm gonna start scrubbing this up. I'll bring it back after a scrub and we'll see how it looks. Okay, hey guys, little update. Spin around. Oh, white and shiny. Found some other spots. Cut that off. Little pieces of metal there. I cranked my finger on and cut my nail. There's the difference. That and this. So it's coming along. We're getting a lot of that grit off. About halfway. Yeah, about halfway. So we're getting there. Okay, well, this is taking me most of the day. Did have a lunch break, but let me spin it around, and the roof is clean. Oh yeah, look at that. I did take all the covers off. I did have an issue right here with the air conditioner cover. These didn't want to come out, so I had to get a drill and I had to drill the heads off. And now I have to go and figure out how to get those out of there. That shouldn't be too bad. But all in all, I don't think this poor roof has been scrubbed in probably 15 years. There's a busted cover there. It's gonna be fixed. There's where we think we found a hole. Look at that's broken. We're gonna get all these covers back on tonight because it could rain for all I know, which it always seems to around here when I don't want it to. But all in all, I should have taken a big before shot, which I think I did. That is, whoo, that's a zoomer. That's cleaned up. So now I'm gonna start getting all my tools off of here. But all in all, that worked out well. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna try to get these out. I'm gonna put a nut down and another nut, lock them together and see if I can't twist them out. If not, then I'm going to have to get some channel locks or something, some vice grips. But I think it's gonna work. I don't know, I'll let you know. Okay, got them out. See that? My two nut thing didn't work, didn't really have to, just put some vice grips on there and they came right out. So I am gonna give I'm gonna give a little squirt of some stuff in here before I put the other ones back on. See if they're real bad, maybe wire wheel them a little bit. But after it dries, oh boy, that looks good. That's all my stuff. So I'm gonna get the covers on. I'll do a nice shot. I'll probably put the antenna and the satellite dish down, which don't feel all fancy. Oh, I'm not gonna use that satellite dish. I just can't take it off. Yeah, you just don't see that every day. But all in all, it's working out. Cleaned up good. Hello. So the roof is done. It's scrubbed, it's cleaned, as you just saw. I put all the covers back on. It worked out well. I have to get a couple new screws for the 1 AC cover. This is a day or so later, and it did rain, pummeled all night, so I didn't get to fix the vent covers. As you can see, the hoodie is back. The hood is up. Ugh. And it's about 10 in the morning. I do believe today is the 26th of April. It is around 50 degrees, and overnight temperatures this week are going to be down into the low 30s, 30, and even 28 possibly. So no coating the roof, no fixing the vents because I have to put the Dicor in, and I'm kind of a nervous person about following certain instructions in dry times, and you want good weather and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna chance it. I'm not gonna risk it. But I just climbed up and looked. The roof already looks dirty. It's got a bunch of berries on it, but it should be good. Maybe just to dust off a light with the hose or something before I get ready to coat it. But this April, I planned on doing all of this, but wasn't in the cards. I mean, that day I scrubbed it was 2 of the nicest days. We were in the 80s, and that's why I did it, so I wasn't freezing my butt off up there. But we're getting there. I do have a time that I have to have this done by, and I'm hoping to make it. Anyways, I'm gonna call this RV3, maybe RV Roof 3. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and you can know when more RV gardening and pipe videos come out. But it's cold once again. I gotta go fleece up the garden and get it ready for this week. But that's about all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.